matatu driver, what's your name again?
John Macharia.
John Macharia.
John Macharia ni ndereba wa matatu kuma mwena wa Kayole kuingira guku gatagati ka mucii munene wa Nairobi. Ari gikari-ini gia gucirira njira cia kurana na ngukumio thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi. Macharia akauga maabitha a borithi a traffic ni mahingurire ka ATM barabara-ini cia guku Nairobi.
But I believe the problem is that traffic policemen do not wake up to control traffic in Nairobi or to do what they are mandated to do. They wake up in the morning to come and collect money from our buses, period.
Macharia haririe mbere ya Inspekta wa Borithi Joseph Boinett uria ona kuri uguo atiteire ruhonge rwa borithi.
And every morning when I wake up, I must have on the minimum 800 shillings. Because as I drive from Kayore at Donholm, I'll find some officers from Buruburu police station. I must part with 200 shillings. Down towards Nairobi at Makongeni police station, I'll still be flagged down and I must give 200 shillings.
Macharia thiite na mbere kuga borithi aya makagiriria guthagathagia ruhonge ruru rwa matatu mathaa-ini ma rucini na hwaini hindi ria we nawe turaroka wira kana tukiinuka.
There are some officers from Nairobi area who will stop me, get into my vehicle and ask me, unataka kuweka abiria wapi? Whether on the pavement, whether kwa stage or wherever, they assist me commit an offense.
I wish I had time to arrest this guy because he has made several confessions. He should be in some police station heading to court. And you heard for yourself the confessions he made.
Miario yake ukitio thikuni ni tu thutha wa maabitha aingi a borithi gukuruonio na ciiko cia ngukumio hindi ya kũngwo kwao. No Boinett akauga othe muheani wa mahaki uria ni ndereba na mwamũkĩri wa mahaki uria ni abitha wa borithi magiriirwo ni gũtacũkĩrio makinya ma kiwatho. Boinett ningĩ ni atetetie kamiti ya kũrana ngukumio EACC kumana na kwaga kuoera makinya ma kiwatho matereba hindi ĩrĩa maheana mahaki.
I'm not defending the few of my officers who are corrupt. I'm not at all. And that's why I had the applause here, because many of our compatriots go through what my colleague here said, that they witness corrupt activity on the roads. It's two-way. It's both the driver and the corrupt officer.
Giikaro giki giguthaganitio thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa rekwo ni Macharia wa Gacuru.